Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many Apple customers are complaining that their iPhone screen is stuck on the notification screen and they can't do anything. So in today's short video, I will teach you how to fix this problem. Let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to fix this problem, first you have to reboot your iPhone. For that, firstly press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. When the Apple logo appears, release the button. That's all you have to do, and the problem of your iPhone stuck on notification will be solved. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.